Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, I will walk you through a first fitting in Bernafon Oasisnxt to show just how easy and intuitive the fitting software is. Let's get started. If you are using a standalone version of the software like I am here, you will see the client selection screen. Here you can select a current client or create a new client. You can also enter or view their audiogram. We will select our test client. If you are using NOAA, the client details and audiogram will pull through automatically to Oasisnxt, bypassing this screen. When you are ready, click on New Fitting at the bottom right hand of the screen. In the Personal Data tab, you can select your client's language and the fitting rationale that you wish to use. If you performed an ACT test on your client, you can enter the value here. The ACT value prescribes settings for smart noise management. Alternatively, your client can answer the questions in the Personalization tab. The answers will prescribe settings for smart noise management. Now we are ready to move on to detect the hearing instruments. Once you have detected the hearing instruments, it's important to select the earpiece that the hearing aid user is wearing. The target icon highlights the recommended earpiece for your client. After this, you are ready to fit the hearing aids. Here, you can choose the initial adaptation level for your client or turn on the automatic gain adaptation. New users might benefit from starting at a lower gain level and increasing gradually over time. If the automatic option is chosen, the hearing aid will automatically increase to the prescribed gain based on the time period you choose. On the amplification screen, you can make fine-tuning adjustments. On this screen, you can add additional programs, such as music experience. Feedback Manager ensures the gain is preserved all day, even when there is movement around the head or neck. Run the Feedback Manager by selecting here. Remember to warn your client that the sound may be loud, but it will only last a few seconds. On this screen, you can adjust the noise management features. If you entered an ACT value or your client answered the personalization questions at the start of the fitting, some of the features will have prescribed targets. Before ending the session, you can select which controls your client would like on their hearing aids. You can also demonstrate the various indicators for your client on the Indicators tab. Now we are ready to end the session. On this screen, you can confirm whether your client agrees with the activation of conversation data logging, and then click End Session at the bottom of the screen. And now we're done. In this video, we walk through the process of a first fitting in Bernafon Oasisnxt. Oasisnxt is an intuitive fitting software that makes it easy to customize your client's hearing aid fittings.